Tired of guessing how much your projects are really costing you? Clockify's cost tracking feature lets you ditch the guesswork and gain precise control over your project finances. In this video, we'll show you how to manually enter cost amounts in Clockify so you can track project expenses and analyze your profitability. Let's get started. First, you'll need to ensure that you have the cost rate feature enabled. To do this, navigate to your Workspace settings. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar. Once you're in Workspace settings, click on the General tab, scroll down until you see the cost rate option. Make sure the toggle is switched to the on position. It should appear blue or green, depending on your Clockify theme. This enables the cost tracking functionality for your entire workspace. Now, let's set the cost rate for individual team members. Go to the team page, also located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the team member for whom you want to set the cost rate. On the team member's profile, you'll see a field labeled cost rate. This is where you'll manually input the hourly cost associated with this team member's time. Enter the numerical value representing the hourly cost. After entering the cost rate, be sure to click the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the profile page. This will save the cost rate you've entered for that specific user. Once the cost rates are set, Clockify will automatically calculate the cost of time tracked by each team member. You can then generate detailed reports that show project expenses, helping you analyze profitability and improve budgeting. Now you can confidently manage project expenses and make informed decisions. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can manually enter cost amounts in Clockify and unlock powerful insights into your project finances. Thanks for watching.